In this video, I will show you a new way to create 100% Facebook or YouTube monetization faceless football short channel using AI and monetize your Facebook or YouTube channel in less than 2 months. Football content is one of the most watched videos on YouTube, on Facebook and TikTok. I am sure everyone agrees with that. The problem is that it's always very difficult to be able to create football videos because most times football images and videos usually always have copyright claims. But after much research and hard work, I have a good news for you. You can now create highly engaging football short and long videos that is 100% copyright free, and with these football videos, get ready to monetize your Facebook and YouTube channels in less than 2 months and also rake in millions and millions of views on TikTok. Trust me, you're going to get a lot of value from these videos, so you can't afford to skip any part of this video. To make a faceless football short channel using AI, we are going to go through these simple steps. Step number 1 is that we will have to generate an engaging script for our football short video. So to generate a script, we are going to be using a free AI tool called DupDub. Link to the resources that I'll be using in these videos are all in the video description. Click on the AI writing feature here. This page is going to open, and what we simply need to do is to click on the plus icon over here and select Ask AI to Write. Then this window is going to pop open now. This tool wants to understand what kind of video you want to create. For instance, we have YouTube videos, we have TikTok videos, social media, content marketing, pitches, and tutorial. For this particular tutorial, we can choose between YouTube or TikTok, so I will just be going with YouTube here. There are 3 ways you can generate your script using DupDub. You can use a video script that has proven to work, or use the title of a video that is going viral on YouTube, or even a video description. Now, the simplest and easiest way, of course, is to use a video title. So I'm going to click on title. It's asking what title you want to write your video about. The best way to come up with a good video title that has proven to get views is by going directly to YouTube or any other social platform that you are targeting and just searching for it. There are other ways, but this is easiest and straightforward for anyone to really understand and get results very fast. For instance, if you want to make a video about Cristiano Ronaldo background, for example, just put it on the search bar here and you're going to see different videos popping up. Now look at this video, the entire history of Cristiano Ronaldo. This video has gotten over 600,000 views and this channel has less than 60,000 subscribers. This is a proof that people are actually interested in this kind of content. So now that you know, what you simply need to do is to copy the title here and go back to DupDub. Now paste the video title you copied from YouTube and click on the blue button to generate your script. Now, the AI is done writing the script, but obviously this script is very long for a normal YouTube or Facebook short video. So what you simply need to do here is to ask this AI to summarize the script. This is going to summarize the videos but still make it quite engaging for people to watch, so that is not a problem. So as you can see, getting our script ready is as easy as a pie. The next step, of course, is to generate a voiceover for this script. In my previous videos, I usually use Clipchamp or 11 Labs to generate voiceovers until I came across this particular DupDub tool. This tool is an all-in-one tool, and one of the things it does perfectly is to generate amazing voiceovers. So we won't be jumping from one tool to another, and by the way, we are using the free options. So come here, click on the 3 dots and click the AI voiceover here to generate your voice. I'll be using the default voice here, but here you can also modify the feel of this voice depending on the kind of videos you're making. And if peradventure you don't like this particular voice, or maybe you want to use a female voice, here is where you can change the voice type. To hear what the voice sounds like, just click the play button.
5. In Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, is widely considered one of the greatest footballers ever. He began.
Okay, I like this voice, so I will come here and click export, and then I'll choose MP3, and once I click export, this voiceover automatically downloads on my computer as an MP3 file. Great. The next thing we need is the visual, and this is actually the most important step, and it's quite easy to achieve. What we need to do here is to just read the script manually or listen to the downloaded voice and then download images from Google accordingly. Don't worry, I know that using the Google images directly can also pose copyright issues, but just follow me, get your images according to the script and then download all of them from Google. Now that we have all our images that we need, what we need to do here is to convert those images to 2D copyright-free videos, and that is why we are now going to be using another tool called Tensor Art to help us achieve that. Link to the tool is also in the video description. Once you are here, come here and click on Creation, which will bring you to this point. What you need to do here is just to click Image to Image. Now, the first thing you need to do is to import an image you downloaded from Google, and then the next thing is to add a prompt so that your prompt can really understand what you're trying to create better. And then make sure your aspect ratio is on portrait and always on quantity. Select 2 generations here and give the AI some time to generate the image. As you can see, the image looks quite good. So this is how you're going to create all the images you need to make your video. I'll go ahead and generate every other 2D images for all the images I got from Google. Good. We have now reached the last stage of our video production, which is to put everything together now and edit our video. To start editing the video, open any editing software that you are most comfortable with. I will go with CapCut for this video. First, import all your files into CapCut and then drag the voiceover into the timeline. Next, remove any pause in the voiceover, just if you notice any huge empty spaces in your voiceover. After that, bring in all the images you generated from Tensor Art and arrange them according to the voiceover to ensure that each image is placed in the right place. To make the video more engaging for your audience, add transitions to the images. Click on the transition icon and choose your best preference. Next, add background music to the video. I'll just go ahead and choose any random one from CapCut, but I will advise that you make a proper choice for your background music, because if you get this wrong, your videos can get copyright strike for music. If you want to know how best to choose background music for your online video content, you can watch this video currently on your screen. I show you exactly what to do to be on the safest side. I will also link the video in the video description so that you can check it out immediately you finish watching this video. So once you had your music, just reduce the volume of the background music here so that viewers can hear the main voice more clearly in the video. Finally, you will always need to add captions to your video, right? So click on the caption icon and select auto caption. Choose your preferred language here. Of course, I will leave mine at English and then click on generate. CapCut will automatically generate captions for your video. First, go to the caption section under template and choose the one you prefer. Then click on it and then go back to the basic section here. Arrange the video ratio to 9:6 for a standard YouTube short frame size, and then increase the image size to fit the screen properly. Increase the font size for your best choice. Okay, so let's see what our final video look like.
Cristiano Ronaldo, born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, is widely considered one of the greatest footballers ever.
Now this is amazing, but of course I will be expecting yours to even be better than this one. Finally, click on Export Now and render this video, and then you can download the final video into your computer. So let's see what we have created.
Cristiano Ronaldo, born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, is widely considered one of the greatest footballers ever. He began his professional career with Sporting Lisbon in Portugal and later signed with Manchester United in 2003. Ronaldo quickly became one of the best players in the world during his time at Manchester.
So go ahead and start uploading your videos. Make sure that you are consistent, because just a single video will not get you your monetization goal. You have to keep publishing similar videos regularly. If you got value from this video, please, as usual, give it a like, help me share it, and if you're a first-time visitor to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you get to see when I release new videos like this one. Here on this video on your screen, I also show you how to create high view historical videos for your Facebook, your YouTube and TikTok channel. It's another amazing video that you really want to see. Click on it now, watch it, and I bet that you will love it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.